Welcome to Prop Department. Whoa! This is my industrial robot, Stabby, and today we're going to be testing 4 of the most insane attachments ever made. Let's begin. Are you ready, Stabby? Whatever, let's go anyway. This is the Logster 3000! It's kind of dangerous.
The Logster 3000 is an autonomous experimental log processing attachment. Its CAD-designed chrome moly steel chassis is machined to 2,000 lateral tolerance. Programmed with Python for online simulation studies of autonomous wood processing operations. With 3 independent 18-inch carbide-tipped chainsaws, the Logster 3000 aims to revolutionize the forestry industry.
They are very thirsty. They're like big bore saws, so they burn a ridiculous amount of gas. And they leak a ton of it too. I planted this tree here a while back, and it's just not taking root. So we're gonna have to put him down. Come on, let's turn on the chainsaw. Yes! Oh, it's beautiful. Yes! Oh my God, it's working! Okay, Stabby, I moved the tree for you. Just simply cut right here. Do not mess it up. Just give me a cut. Wait. Oh! No, dude, what are you doing?
Yes, come on, come on, come on.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, it's not the most convenient thing. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 for looks, but only a 2 out of 10 for functionality. It is, it's a giant pain in the butt to operate. It constantly breaks, and it cuts into my shop. Introducing attachment number 3, the Pneumatic Roof Blaster. I don't want any trouble, dude. Okay.
The Pneumatic Roof Blaster is a budget-friendly autonomous nail-driving device. The base unit is sourced from a local construction site with their permission and heavily modified with second-hand power tool parts. The Roof Blaster comes with no warranty and is not guaranteed to work at all. Side effects may include loss of hearing, nail head syndrome, and more. Ask your doctor if the Roof Blaster is right for you.
All right, we're gonna load it up. I'm gonna just we're gonna start off with a static test. It should only run for about That's crazy. Oh my gosh. No, we got one nailed in, yes. Zoom in on the dot. Yes. So now we can just aim it with this manual pendant. Okay, this is gonna be too easy. Whoa! The laser! I bought this on Amazon. They sell it to you as a 0.5 milliwatt laser. I was telling you, it was like way more powerful than that. I can't believe it's because it's black too. Dude, this isn't even the attachment we're using, and we're just sighting it in and it's popping them. Okay, I'm so excited for this. Stabby, pop those balloons, please. No! Okay, we got some aim work to do. But I love the sound of the nails hitting the ground. It's like ting, ting, ting. All right, get that one. That one, in the corner. Oh my gosh, dude. You still missed one, bro. This is terrifying. Don't have AI hooked up to this robot yet, so we have to tell it where to point every time. But maybe eventually we could hypothetically make it track something and perform actions based on what it sees. We're just gonna run it for like 4 seconds in one spot and see what happens. I mean, it kind of works, but it's running out of air. We don't have enough compressor power. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 for cool factor and a 5 out of 10 for functionality, because it kind of works. Stabi is a Stabuli RX-160 industrial robot. And I know what you're thinking, aren't these extremely expensive? Yes, but luckily I was able to find this one for 5,000 bucks on Facebook Marketplace, and it only needed a little bit of fixing. RoboDK is amazing. It's really good. They lent me the software to try to do some cool projects with, and the numbers we're working with here are to the 1,000th of a millimeter. What? Stabi is a 2014 model, and it is long retired from service already because it served over 86,000 hours straight. And even after all that time, it can still do this. By the way, welcome to Prop Department. I'm Tyler Fever, aspiring mad scientist with dreams to save the world. And let me give you a tour of the place a little bit here. So, this channel is gonna serve to document the builds we do while I'm teaching myself engineering with no degree. I like to take on way more than I can handle and be frustrated for years on end, and ended up learning tons of things through that process. So here is a project we're working on. It is a Tesla-powered mini jet boat. It has a Model 3 motor in it right now, but we're gonna be putting a Raven motor in it, and it's gonna go like 80 miles an hour. And this vehicle is called a pre-runner. It's a high-speed off-road vehicle that I've been working on for 6 years. This is a special project because it's actually how I learned how to fabricate. I just started on it and I figured out how to weld and bend tube and the suspension geometry and everything. And here's where it is. It's almost done. Okay, it's time to reveal number 2. I'm pretty nervous about this one. And finally, in spot number 1, introducing the Photon Lance.
The PD-15 Photon Lance is a kilowatt-class, liquid-cooled, gas-shielded experimental energy platform. Disclosure of technical data has been restricted to remain in full compliance with United States federal law, CDRH guidelines, and international traffic and arms regulations. No component details or engineering instructions will be provided to anyone outside of the developing organization. This system is not for replication, resale, or public deployment in any manner. The following demonstration is for entertainment and internal development purposes.
This is something I've had in mind for years, but I haven't had the right lab or test bed equipment to pull it off yet, and today is the day. I'm sighting in our targeting lasers. These are on each corner so that everything in between these 4 corners is in the you don't want to be there spot. The robot is going to move from the safe position to the box, fire for 3 seconds, and then move back to safe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, no way! That was only 3 seconds. Let me just put this outside. We have a small fire again. This is incredible. I've always wanted a way to shut off those pesky fire alarms without getting a ladder out. I think a couple kilowatts directly on it should do the trick. Oh, it worked! In principle, the lance is very similar to a laser pointer just like this one, only 300,000 times more powerful. Aside from atmospheric aberration, the only real limit to its range is the curve of the Earth. So 200 yards really isn't going to be a big problem for it. We just started a fire 200 yards away, instantly, with an invisible beam of energy. Next up, I want to see what it'll do to this steel can of gas. There's a little bit left in it. Okay, can of gas in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh, it shot right through it. Oh my gosh, it's burning the rocks. No. It punched a hole straight through this can. Look at that perfect circle. Let's try a full can of brake cleaner. This is a really reflective, galvanized steel can, and it's round. So I don't know if it's gonna punch through it. Whoa! It punched through one side right away, and then it moved, but it almost punched through the other side before it got out of the way. Last thing I wanna try is burning a hole in this toilet. Porcelain is extremely hard to melt. A torch won't even get close to melting this thing. That is insane. It's glowing red. Melted it into like glass. That's so weird. This stuff isn't supposed to melt. I cannot believe how good this attachment works. I'm giving it a 9 out of 10 for looks, and I gotta give it a 10 out of 10 for functionality, because what do you compare it to? The only way to make it better is to make it more powerful.